This home will impress you with a lifestyle that dreams are made of. This custom-built 6-bedroom home has many amenities which define luxury, in addition to green features. A wraparound porch enjoys stone details and leads to the bright and airy 2-story foyer, with open staircase and stunning hardwood floors which continue throughout the first level. Notice the craftsmanship of trim work as you enter the spacious office through French doors. Warm color and enhanced woodwork accent the dining room with a stateliness that is eager to be filled with friends and family celebrating all of life's milestones. The gourmet kitchen opens up and gives the chef an ideal setting for preparing meals or baking with the youngsters. Features include large walk-in pantry, granite counters, commercial-grade stove with built-in griddle and grill, double oven, and separate bar area with ice maker. The great room invites you to enjoy the grandeur of this space, while the cornerstone fireplace adds a bit of coziness. Giving the owners a retreat all their own, the master suite boasts beautiful views, exterior access, and private bath that will immerse you in comfort, featuring granite and stone that complement one another beautifully. You can relax in the jetted tub while watching the flat screen, or enjoy the walk-in shower with rain flow, and step out on the radiant heated floor. The enormous walk-in closet is ready to organize the largest of wardrobes. There is also a full bath, large laundry room with granite countertops, and a mudroom with built-in cubbies that assist in keeping the home neat and tidy. The hardwood floors continue upstairs, where an oversized landing overlooks the great room and leads to 4 very generously sized bedrooms. One is a junior suite with its own bath. All have large closets. The spacious hall bath completes this level. Adding a vast amount of living space, the lower level allows for multiple recreation and relaxation areas for family fun and entertaining. There is exterior access, a full bath, plenty of storage, a bonus room currently staged as a guest quarters, and a separate media room. In addition to the 3-car garage, there is an oversized detached garage with many possibilities. The driveway provides ample parking for those summer parties at the swimming pool, which overlooks 100 acres of preserved open space. 3 separate lots remain available in Sawmill Estates. Call today for your personal tour.